Because this door is inside an office environment, aesthetics are important. Covers and trim pieces have been ordered. The first piece will cover the adjuster wheel and has been specially ordered. It is fully formed and just needs to be mounted onto the bracket and secured. There is also a cover for the sprockets and chain on the operator side and for the motor. These will make the operator side look a lot cleaner. The thicker bracket with the holes should be attached to the motor bracket. This needs to be done before the motor is mounted up onto the door. Attach both brackets to the motor and secure. Mount the motor as you would normally, securing the motor bracket to the end plate. Tighten all bolts. Mount the cover over the large sprocket and the chain. Secure with screws. Take the pieces of the motor cover and assemble them together using the instructions. Place them over the operator, tucking the chain inside or through the access panel if you have one. Secure to the thick white end plate.